Beginning a new book is always exciting in the classroom. Using the picture walk strategy will wake up students' imagination as they examine the new book. Let's look at how this strategy is being used in a classroom at the George Stone Elementary School located on the campus of Union Adventist University.
All right, so let's close our books. All right. And again, we see the cover page. Scarlett, can you please tell us the title of the book?
Three Angels in the Sky by Sarah Finley
Duran.
Drain.
Okay, which one is the title?
Three Angels in the Sky.
Okay, and who is Sandra Finley Duran? Who do you think, what is her title? Abel? Author. The author of the book. So the author of the book. Whenever you see a book, when you see the word by, that means they wrote the book. Okay? So here we have the author. And if you look inside, we have the title again. You see the title again? Three Angels in the Sky. We see the author again, Sandra Finley Duran. Okay? They added something on the inside. What did they add, Brooklyn? Who is the illustrator? Sarah Belli, I believe.
Sarah Belli and Paula Lobo?
Yes. What does an illustrator do? Amelia?
They draw the pictures.
They draw the pictures. Now, you don't necessarily have to draw the pictures, okay? What else can you do to be an illustrator?
You can paint.
Yeah, you can paint. What else can you do?
Can't they just design it?
Yes, sometimes they do design it. They can also, using a computer, yeah, they can draw it almost like digitally, okay? It's a big deal being an illustrator these days. Okay, so as we look through the inside, let's look through the pages. And I want you to be able to tell me, what do all the pages have in common? There's one thing you see on almost every single page. Okay, Lucas, what do we see?
An angel.
We at least see how many angels?
One angel.
We at least see one, but on most of them,
There are three.
there are three. Okay? So do you see a trend here?
Yeah.
Three. We're getting a lot of threes happening here in this book. Okay? Now, if you go to this page, okay? All right. Let's go to this page. Abel, what does that back page do?
It tells you about the author and illustrators.
Yes, it tells you about them. First of all, you actually see them, right?
Yes.
You see them? Do you recognize one of them? Yes. You see them, and it tells you a little bit about them. All right, we went through some of the things of the book together. Now I want you to look through the book on your own. Okay? You're going to look through the book and be thinking, because in about, let's see, how about 30 seconds, I will stop and then be ready to tell me something you noticed about the book. It could be some of the pictures. It could be colors. It could be all sorts of different things. Okay? Ready? 30 seconds starting now. Okay. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Give me a thumbs up, please. Thank you. All right. So, Scarlett, can you tell me one thing you noticed about the book?
Like one of the angels is guiding a boat.
Okay. Do you know what boat?
Noah's Ark.
Yeah, looks like it, doesn't it? Okay, Ivy. What do you notice about the book?
Well, I saw 3 angels protecting the boat instead of 1.
Okay, that's fine.